Hi guys, my name is Ty. This is Ty's Time. Today I want to get this little saw cleaned up, get it ready to cut wood this weekend. Just get right to it here. Get my brush, kind of brush off all this loose stuff. You especially want to get rid of all this stuff before you fuel up. You don't want this sawdust getting into the fuel tank. I just kind of give it a quick wipe over. Get our chainsaw wrench. I'm going to pull this bar off here, chain. Loosen this nut on the side, cover. Pull this cover, side cover off. It's all that junk I want to get rid of. I like to do this at least every weekend because I use my saws pretty hard. Set that over here for now. Pull this bar back. Pull the chain off. Set it aside. You can just pull your bar off. Set it aside. Get my little cleaning tool out of my saw box. Get all this junk. I don't get it all, but I like to get the majority of it. I like to put down newspapers on my bench. That way whenever you're done, you can just throw them away or throw them in the stove. Kind of get all that out of there. Brush her down. Same thing with the side cover. All that crap out of there. You can see this. You definitely want to get it around this break real good. Maintain some gap, because if that gets all plugged up, the brake will actually try to kill your saw. It'll run, but it won't cut. Not too bad. And I like to get my bar. I like to take my little putty knife and get all the crap out of my bar. Both sides. Got two little oil holes right here. This is where the bar and chain oil gets into the bar. You want to make sure that those are clean, so that one's all plugged up. Get them cleaned out. And we're pretty much ready to go back together. You stick your bar back on. Get your chain. Get it over your sprocket. snug, and you're ready to put your side cover back on. Just like so. Your nut. And make sure that the brake goes back in properly. Just like that. Pull it back out here and get my chainsaw wrench. Snug this back up. You don't want to tighten it yet. I'll just snug it up. Back it off a little bit. And I'm going to hold pressure up on my bar while I tighten my chain. I run my chain pretty tight now while I'm cutting hedge, because hedge has so much brush, thorny brush all over it. Once I get my chain how I want it, then you want to hold pressure on the bar. Snug it back up. And we're good to go. This one don't need sharpened. It's still pretty good, but we'll get into that another time. And that's pretty much it. My cover back on. This saw's ready to go back and do some more work. I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Until next time.